Got that son of a bitch. You see that? You see the bullet scatter off that target?
I didn't.
Is that plate still up there?
I don't know. I can't see it now.
Hey, is that foam? Settle down, the ceiling's coming apart.
That got it.
Knocked it down.
Did it?
Yeah. Still see it.
That got it again. I think that might be it. Maybe there's one more. I don't know.